How to enable Face ID on Fanduel. Now this is just a very quick and very easy process. Now for you to be able to enable Face ID on Fanduel, you can go ahead and access the Fanduel app or via the Fanduel official website. And here all you just have to do is to log into your account, navigate through your account information, and by there you should be able to see Face ID settings. Now, if you just easily turn it on and it's not working, then all you have to do is to navigate through your current phone settings. Now, from your phone, you'll just have to unlock your Face ID by going to your phone settings. And here, just go to the search bar and type in Face, and you should be able to see this option right here that says Face Unlock. Now, tap on that. Then here, you'll just have to enable and turn it on. And then after that, try to turn it on again on the Fanduel application itself. So that's it. That's how you enable Face ID on Fanduel.